Hello, my name is Hiren Taylor, and in this video I am going to tell you about values, types and variables for Python language. So let's start with what are values and types. So by definition, a value is the representation of some entity. For example, it can be a letter or a number that can be manipulated by a program. So your value can be any number like 2, 3, 4, 5, any number, or it can be a letter in uppercase, or it can be a string also. So values belongs to different types. It can be an integer just like this 2. It can be a string just like hello Python here. It is in the double quote, and it can be a float value like 3.6 over here. And there are so many other types also we will discuss in the next video. But if you want to check what type of value is assigned to the variable, then you can use this command, that is type, and just write down the value. So to check these things, let's go to Anaconda prompt, and here you can see that first of all I am going to open the Python. So we will write a Python. Now you can see that here we can write our code. So let's say I am going to write type and then in parenthesis 2. So it will tell us about the type of this value. So it is showing that it is an integer. Similarly, let's say a type and 2.2. So it is now showing that it is a float. And similarly, if I will write type some string, let's say hello, so now it will say that it is a string. Even if you will write any number in the string, so it will be mentioned as a, let's say I am just writing on any random number as 25654, and if you will write in a string, so let's check the type of this. So it is saying that it is a string. So this is how you can identify a value belongs to which type. Then variable. A variable is the name that is assigned to the value. It means we are giving some name to the values that we are going to use in the program. So generally variables are stored in the memory location for storing the value. Here we have the example of how to assign values to the variables. We can assign the values to the variable with the help of this equal to sign. So here we have one example. Here a is the variable and this a having the value of 3. So we have assigned the value of 3 with the help of this equal to sign. This statement is saying that a will have the value of 3. So this is how you can simply assign any value to the variable. So let's check in our Anaconda prompt how we can assign a different value to the variables. So let's say I am giving a equal to 3, then b equal to 4, and let's take another variable c that is equal to a plus b, and let's check what we have the values. Now let's print the value of c. So it says that we have the value 7. So this is how you can assign a value to the variables. Now you cannot give any name to the variables. There are few rules for this. So variable name can be start with lower alphabets like A to Z, or it can be a uppercase alphabets like capital A to Z, or we can use a underscore in the beginning of the variable. So this is allowed. Now any numbers, letters or underscore is allowed in a variable, but special characters are not allowed. You cannot use any kind of special character in the Python programming. as a variable. And then variable cannot start with number, so this is again not allowed. We cannot start a variable with a number, and variable can be of any length. You can take a variable of any length that you want. And the last and the most important one is keywords cannot be used as a variable. So in Python there are 35 keywords, and these keywords that we cannot use as a variable. If you will assign a value to this variable, it will be turns in a error. So let's check with our Anaconda prompt. So now let's check which kind of variable we can use in the Python. So let's say I am using a first variable with all as lowercase, that is, let's say Hiren equal to 2. So it's fine, there is no error. And let's say I am just writing in uppercase, and that is again equal to 2, again no error. But let's check one error condition. Let's start a variable with any number, and I am again writing with 5 Hiren equal to 2. So it shows that it's invalid syntax, and therefore you cannot start any variable name with a number. Similarly, let's say I am using Hiren, and then let's say at the rate, and I am assigning a 2 value to this variable Hiren at the rate, and just press enter. Again it is saying that it is an invalid syntax because here we have the special character. So you have to take care of these things while you are selecting your variable. One more thing, that you cannot use any keyword as a variable. So let's say I am going to use AND keyword as a variable, and let's assign it. So again it says that invalid syntax, we cannot use this AND because it is already a keyword and we cannot use keyword as a variable. I hope you have liked this video, and this is all about values, types and the variables. See you next time with some more Python programming. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.